Welcome to Tech Radar, your go-to source for all your tech news, opinion, features and guidance, no matter what type of business you're in. Today, we're looking into the launch of Minis Forum's newest mini PC, the Venus NPB7. It's an impressive device, which comes with dual 2.5GB port system, Intel Core i7-13700H processor and the Iris Xe Graphics G796U's graphics solution. Not to mention, DDR4 5200 memory, 1M.2 2280 4.0 slot, one 2.5-inch SSD slot, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, and support for up to 4 displays. Even better, the Venus NPB7 is shipped preloaded with Windows 11 Professional, perfect for those who need a powerful business computer. The Venus NPB7 is available in 4 different configurations, each offering its own array of features, along with either US, UK, or AU power adapter. For example, the 16/512GB model is offered at an early bird price of $609 or $759 retail. Other models include the 32/512GB for $669 or $829, the 32GB RAM and 1TB of storage model for $699 early bird or $879 retail, and the 64GB RAM and 1TB of storage model for $799 early bird or $999 retail. Once you have your mini PC, you'll want to check out our list of the best business monitors. Perfect for maintaining productivity, these monitors will help your workspace stay efficient and on track. At Tech Radar, we strongly recommend staying on top of the latest technology news. It's the best way to ensure that your business remains competitive. Sign up for our newsletter at Tech Radar and we will keep you posted on the latest news and trends in the industry. Don't miss out, get the best info about the Venus NPB7 and other tech.